So what we have here is a fuel compartment that's been contaminated by water. We've been hired to pump it out and send some divers into the tank and find out where the water intrusion is coming from and fix it. And that will be it. So what we did here is down the shaft that's leaking, we ran PVC pipe all the way to the deck, and from the deck to a frac tank is Coast Guard approved hose that pumps into the frac tank. So we have two pumps and we're pumping about 21.6 gallons per minute. So we're able to fill the frac tank, which is about 9,000 gallons, in about 6 to 6.5 hours. The contaminated fluid that went into the frac tank will be pumped out into tankers and shipped off to be disposed of. And once we get down to the water, where most of the diesel fuel is pumped out, we'll be filtering that through a fuel water separator into a charcoal filter, and it will be clean enough to go back into the water. So that's been approved by the Coast Guard, and we're working closely with Frank Corp as well. We did set up a boom around the whole ship. There's about 2,000 feet of boom around for extra precautions. All the scupper holes are blocked off as well while we're pumping. And we have stations where guys are stationed for potential leaks. And an emergency shut-off. So if we need to, we can shut down in an emergency and all operation stops. Everyone's on two-way radios. And that's about it.